Today, we will discuss about the different types of cooler bags and what you should look for in a bag. If you are using a breast pump to express milk, chances are you are also transporting your breast milk from one place to another. Whether it be carrying extra bottle of milk when you go to the mall, bringing home your pump milk from work, or you simply want to donate your extra milk, you would need a container to transport it safely, and that would help keep it cold or frozen as long as possible. We will also discuss on how to store, thaw, and when to throw away your milk. Then somewhere along this video, we'll be giving away all these bags which we will show you today without any pending purchase on our store. So if you want to know how and if you're interested, let's get started. Here are the top 3 qualities that you need to consider when deciding which cooler bag you will get. The first thing that you need to consider is the size. If you carry a large bag and you don't want to be bothered to bring another extra bulky bag, then a small size like the Medela cooler bag is right for you. Usually, this is already included if you purchase a Medela electric pump. But in case you are interested in purchasing this one, this is around $17 on Amazon or around 850 pesos. That already includes the ice pack and 4 5-ounce breast milk storage Medela bottles. The size of this bag is 16 cm in length, 16 cm in width, and 12 cm in height. It has a fairly basic but functional design. As you can see, due to its compact shape, you can easily stash it in any of your existing shoulder bag or diaper bag. But since it is also short in height, it won't be able to hold bottles larger than 6 ounces. The second quality that you need to look for in a bag is its durability. Your bag will get banged, transported, and shoved a lot of times. That is why it is also important to have a sturdy and well-constructed one. Unless sa mall tayo bibili na makikita natin kaagad yung quality ng bag, kung gaano siya kakapal, anong klaseng tela yung ginamit, or kung maganda ba yung quality ng strap and zippers. Pero kung sa online lang tayo bibili, kadalasan kasi yung tinitignan natin yung pinakamura and pinakasulit na mabibili natin. Kung sa Lazada or sa Shopee kayo bibili, napansin ko itong Vcool cooler bag yung cheapest option that is around in the market right now. This cost around 740 pesos, may kasama na siyang isang ice brick and 2 pieces of ice pack. The size of this bag is 20 cm in length, 16 cm in width, and 18 cm in height. At the bottom part, kasya ang 6 pieces na 6-ounce storage bottles with 1 ice brick. The top portion is also insulated. If you have a small pump machine, kasya naman siya, but you can only fit 1 pump flange with a small bottle plus your wires and tubings. It also has standard side pockets and the zippers are relatively durable. Yung tela niya medyo rough na parang katsa, but if it is not an issue with you, then this is okay. I use this clear bag so you can easily get these bottles in and out of the bag. The advantage of this bag is that kapag nagpawis yung bottles due to the coldness, mas hindi siya magkakalat sa cooler bag. This is also sold separately and not included with the set. It has its advantages but this is not a necessity. May mga nagtatanong din kasi sa amin kung pwede siyang substitute as a cooler bag. The answer is no. Since hindi niya ma-maintain yung cold temperature sa loob ng bag and transparent lang siya, plus wala siyang insulation. Sa halagang 740 pesos din, mabibili nyo din itong Blithe cooler bag na mas malaki yung size and mas maganda yung quality ng tela. May kasama na rin siyang 2 pieces na ice pack and 1 piece ice brick. At the bottom portion, kasyang malaking Spectra S1 or S2 hospital grade double electric pump. You can also stash 6 pieces of 6-ounce storage bottles with 2 pieces of ice brick. The advantage of this one is ma-maintain nating mas malamig sa loob ng cooler bag since dalawa yung ice bricks natin. The bag can remain cold for up to 6 to 8 hours depending on what environment you are in. So naturally, kung nasa loob kayo ng kwarto na may aircon, mas matagal matutunaw yung ice. Kung magko-commute naman kayo at mainit sa labas, mas mabilis ding mawala yung lamig sa loob ng bag. The top portion is also insulated and you can fit in a small machine pump together with your 2 flange and small bottles, your connector tubings, and wires. Plus, you still have extra space to put in your other items like extra storage bags, nursing pads, and some snacks. The size of this bag is 26 cm in length, 25 cm in width, and 26 cm in height. Sa mga nagtatanong sa amin kung paano gamitin yung ice pack, may kasama talaga siyang beads sa loob. Huwag nyo siyang itatapon, ihalo nyo siya together with water para maging gel siya. Then you just need to seal them together and put it in the freezer. Pwede na siyang paulit-ulit na gamitin. Same also goes with the ice brick. Kung may nabili kayo na walang laman and may beads sa loob, all you have to do is to put regular water, close the lid, and then freeze it so you can use it right away. This is another Vcool bag na mas maganda ng konti doon sa red. The size of this bag is 25 cm in width, 17 cm in length, and 26 cm in height. Isa din ito sa mga common na bags na mabibili natin online. This cost around 1,000 to 1,200. May benta kaming ganito dati, but since ngayon may sarili na kaming line na bags, hindi namin siya binibenta. That is why itong 4 Vcool cooler bags kasama siya sa pamimigay natin, and later on, i-explain ko sa inyo paano nyo siya mapapanalunan. For now, ipapakita ko pa rin sila sa inyo para in case may interested na bumili, at least magkaroon sila ng idea kung anong kasya and kung anong klaseng materials that were used. All these Vcool bags at the bottom portion, kasya ang isang ice brick and 6 pieces of 6-ounce storage bottles. And at the top portion, kasya din ang isang maliit na breast pump machine and 2 pieces of flange with small bottle and its tubings and wire connections. This blue and black Vcool cooler bag is one of their more newer lines. This can be used as a standard shoulder bag, or you can also convert this into a backpack. The size of this bag is 23 cm in length, 15 cm in width, and 28 cm in height. Sa mga nagtatanong din sa amin about how to store and freeze their breast milk, make sure to practice first in and first out rule. So mas matagal nating i-store yung milk natin, mas nawawala yung vitamins and minerals niya. And since mas mainit din dito sa atin sa Pilipinas, mas mabilis din masira yung milk natin. So make sure to let baby consume it as soon as possible or within 4 hours upon thawing your milk. Anything na natira after that, hindi na natin siya pwedeng i-freeze ulit, then gamitin ulit. And finally, when freezing your breast milk, place it at the innermost portion of your freezer and avoid putting them at the doors where the temperature is inconsistent, lalo na kung madalas tayong magbukas ng ref. This is our final Vcool Pink Bag. I believe this is their most expensive line since it's waterproof not only inside but it is also waterproof outside. The size of this bag is 25 cm in length, 15 cm in width, and 27 cm in height. It comes with 2 bag straps and can be used as a standard shoulder bag, or you can also convert this into a backpack. Their top portion is smaller than their other bags and isang pump flange lang with bottle ang kasya since mas makitid yung upper portion ng bag niya. So our red, gray, blue, and pink Vcool cooler bags are now up for grabs if you can tell me the mistake I made in the previous video, which was the breastfeeding essentials video. I will link it above here, or you can also find the link in the description below. All you have to do is comment below what was that mistake, and don't forget to include your Facebook name. So if you get the correct answer, you will receive a PM from me asking for your address where we can send your prize. You're only allowed maximum of 2 guesses per user. Anything after that, it's not valid anymore. So if you did not receive any PM from us, it means mali yung sagot nyo or claimed na lahat ng bags. So our third and final qualities that you need to look for in a bag is its cooling mechanism. So if style is not an issue with you, you can go with a standard coleman or plastic orocan that can maintain up to 12 to 24 hours of cold temperature. If you need to transport a big bulk of milk, like kung magdodonate kayo ng breast milk and hindi siya kasya sa regular cooler bag, then having a plastic cooler container like this one on hand is very useful. So there you have it, mommies. Our free nasal aspirators are still ongoing. Just click the link here above, or I will also put the link in the description below if you're interested in getting one. We also have an ongoing raffle draw worth 10,000 pesos of Blithe items and Playtex gift sets. To join, simply like and share this video on your Facebook page. Comment below what you learned today and indicate also your Facebook name, and make sure that you are subscribed to qualify. Sa mga nagtatanong sa amin kung when ang announcement ng winner, we plan to do it on August, but it might be earlier since as of the moment, we are already planning our next giveaway and sobrang excited na ako. And yes, you can also join our raffle, get your free nasal aspirator, and join our game today all together. Pwedeng pwede. We don't restrict you with only one. Shout out also to Rapunzel Tortugo and Rosalie Mendoza. Sila yung palaging nauna sa mga pag-claim ng mga prizes, and thank you so much for your support. Would also like to say thank you sa lahat ng mga nag-share ng mga breastfeeding experiences nila. And please comment below if you have any suggestions on topics you want us to discuss. And again, thank you for watching and see you again soon. Bye!
Meanwhile.
Mm.